Welcome to my twin kitchen, living egg-free. Hi, my name is James.
And my name is Max.
We are here today to show you how easy it is to use our bread mixes that we have created for people who have allergies. We don't have a choice that we are living egg-free. We're allergic to eggs, nuts, sulfites, dust mites and grass pollens. We have all sorts of hay fevers, but all is not lost. These bread mixes are fantastic, and our breadcrumbs too. There is so much you can do with our breadcrumbs and bread mixes. So over the next few months, Max and I will be showing you guys step by step how to create these wonderful products and get your life back on track with eating breads that are healthy for you, low carb, and have none of those nasties in what those other gluten-free breads do. We are third generation artisan bakers. We are practically born into this industry. Our family has a 500 square meter sourdough factory. All the sourdough is handmade. And we produce to all the local communities and local markets and businesses in the mid-north coast of New South Wales, Australia. We started first packing pizzas and breads with Dad, and then we were putting them on trays, cutting, oiling, salting, and so on. Dad built us this kitchen so we could teach you, all you lovely people, how easy it is to use these mixes. Today we're showing you how to do a keto sourdough using either blueberry pulp, and this is how I made it,
And all you vegans out there, use raw sugar. Now, I know what you're going to say. That's not keto. Well, what the blueberry or honey or raw sugar do is act as food for the fermentation process because there are no carbohydrates in the flour mixes to create a reaction, and all the carbohydrates are used as a sour ferment. But that's enough chit chat. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is James.
And my name is Max.
Today we're going to show you how easy it is to use this mix. We're doing a keto sourdough bread with blueberry pulp today. And we're going to be making some baguettes and some loaves. So let's get cracking. First thing we need is 400 grams of starter. We need 500 mils of water, 3 tablespoons of blueberry pulp, 10 grams of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And in our classes, we only use olive oil or avocado oil. Please do not use seeded oils because they are bad for you. So add the water. Blueberry pulp. Then add your bread mix. Then pop it and put it on low.
Now we're going to add our oil and our salt. Now don't add your salt or oil, don't add your salt or oil before you've incorporated the flour, or you might burn the starter and it will slow down the starter. We don't want that. Okay. So mix for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up. So scrape down the sides, like what Max is doing right now. Now, you could do this in a bread maker. Our friends have tried it and they said they had really good results. But they used yeast instead of a starter. Don't matter if you get your hands dirty. It's kind of the best part. Hands on. When it comes to baking, you can't be clean, can you? Try that again. I hate this thing, but you got the scraper in the. Now mix it for another 3 minutes.
Beauties. Beauties. Look at that. That looks so good. Alright, our gluten-free, ketogenic blueberry babies have just cooled down. Now it's time for the best part, the cutting. Alright. So, let's do the baguette first. Oh, I hear that crunch. Oh my goodness. Hear that crunch, baby. Now, that is sourdough. Look at that whole structure. Fluffy, moist, ketogenic, and crunchy sourdough. Oh. Now, it's my turn. Here we go. Listen to that. So good. Look at that. That is so fluffy. It's crunchy and it's delicious. You gotta make this. And remember, it's all keto, and it's low carb, and it's gluten-free, egg-free, nut-free, soy-free, gum-free. Yeah, there's a lot of frees. You've also got no raising agents, just basically no chemicals, and it's also red-free.